Hello people, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show a tutorial on how to make an artificial leaf from paper. Firstly, you have to take an A4 size sheet of green color. Now fold the sheet in two equal parts. Cut the extra edges of the sheet so that it becomes equal. Here is the triangular sheet. Now, as I am doing in the video, fold the paper and hold the creases. You have to do this step very neatly. Follow my hands. Fold the creases till the end part of the triangular sheet. Now you have to paste it with the help of the glue. And here it is, the artificial leaf is ready. It looks very beautiful and it is very easy to make. You can use it in the school projects, school notice boards, office boards, decoration, wall art, and many more things. It looks very natural. See how realistic it is? Thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.